In this video, I am going to show how to buy a Netflix gift card. So first of all, purchase the gift card, and after purchasing the gift card, follow the steps to redeem the gift card and add it to your account. So first of all, scratch off the foil found on the back of the card or get the code in your email if you have a digital card. You can also find the code on your receipt. Then go to gift card page on Netflix and click redeem a gift card. After that, enter the code and redeem. Then log into your account and go to billing details if you want to check the balance on your gift card. Netflix will notify you 7 days before your balance run out, and you can add another gift card to your account for a package to continue. So this is how you can buy and redeem a gift card on Netflix. Thanks for watching.